In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a game pass here on Roblox. Whether this is for Please Donate or just for yourself, it's actually super easy to do. But before we actually do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, essentially what you're going to want to do is actually head to roblox.com/home first and sign into your account. Once you are signed into your account, go ahead and select this create tab up at the very top, and on this left hand sidebar, go ahead and select creations. From here, either create an experience or go to your place and just edit it and make sure it's public, otherwise this will not work. But after you do that, you're going to see a left hand sidebar over here with a bunch of different options on here. Scroll down to this monetization tab and then select passes to bring up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and select create a pass. From here, you can enter in a picture if you would like, put in a name, and of course put in a description if you would like as well. But essentially, once you go ahead and do that, hit create pass, and this is a completely free thing to do. After you hit create pass, go back to this monetization tab, select passes, and then find that pass on here. And as you can see, this is my one that I like to showcase for these videos, the Boz pass. Essentially, go ahead and look on this left-hand sidebar once you select it, hit sales, and then list the item for sale by ticking that on and putting your price right here. I'd also recommend enabling regional pricing and then hitting save changes, and that's going to make it public. Just keep in mind, Roblox is going to take a 30% cut. So if yours is $10 or 10 Robux, they're going to take 3 of those Robux from you and you will get 7. But as soon as you do this and list it, you will now have created a game pass and you can go back into Please Donate or whatever it might be, create a stand, and of course get those donations through these passes. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.